How to change speed in the Filmora editing app. If you want to change the speed of your videos by adding the slower and faster effect on your video and don't know how to do it, then don't worry. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app, just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit, just like this. Now you can see I have already added my video. Now to change the speed, tap onto the video timeline track just right here. Tap on it. Then simply here you can find the speed option right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the speed just right here, which is the slower one and the faster one. Now simply slide the slider according to your preference on how much speed you want. So this is the normal speed. You can also use the curve speed. Now tap on it and you can simply use this curve speed that you can add just like this. You can adjust it and tap onto the check mark, and now we can see the speed has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change speed in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.